10 fascinating and lesser-known facts about NASA. When most people hear NASA, they think of moon landings, space shuttles, and Mars rovers. But beyond the iconic moments lies a world of surprising facts that reveal just how unique and sometimes quirky NASA really is. Here are 10 lesser-known insights into America's premier space agency. 1. NASA invented memory foam, originally developed in the 1960s to improve crash protection for airline passengers. Memory foam was part of NASA's research into improving the safety of aircraft. It's now used in everything from mattresses to helmets. 2. NASA has a planetary protection officer. Yes, it sounds like science fiction, but it's real. This job exists to prevent biological contamination of both Earth and other celestial bodies, ensuring that microbes from Earth don't hitchhike to Mars and vice versa. 3. Astronaut suits cost more than a house. A full NASA space suit costs an estimated $12 million. These suits are custom-engineered to protect astronauts from the harsh conditions of space, including extreme temperatures, micrometeoroids, and radiation. 4. NASA once operated a vomit comet. The agency used a specially modified KC-135 aircraft nicknamed the Vomit Comet to simulate weightlessness. It would perform steep climbs and dives to create 20 to 30 seconds of microgravity at a time. 5. There's a soundtrack on Mars. NASA's Perseverance rover brought a microphone to Mars, capturing the first-ever audio recordings from the Martian surface, including the whir of its own wheels and the sound of wind across the landscape. 6. NASA trains with underwater missions to simulate the weightlessness of space. Astronauts train in NASA's Neutral Buoyancy Lab, a massive pool that holds 6.2 million gallons of water. They practice spacewalks underwater for hours at a time. 7. The Apollo computers were weaker than a calculator. The onboard computers that guided Apollo missions to the moon were less powerful than today's pocket calculators or digital watches. Yet, they succeeded in one of the most complex missions in human history. 8. NASA helps farmers and firefighters. NASA's satellite data isn't just for space, it's used to track crop health, monitor droughts, and assist in predicting wildfires. Its Earth science programs play a vital role in environmental monitoring. 9. There's a time capsule on the moon. The Apollo 11 mission left behind a silicon disk with goodwill messages from 73 world leaders. It remains on the moon's surface as a tiny time capsule of Earth's 1969 diplomacy. 10. You can be part of NASA missions. NASA frequently invites the public to send their names aboard missions. Over 10 million names were etched onto a chip aboard the Mars Perseverance rover, making ordinary people part of history. From invisible forces of planetary defense to surprising contributions to everyday life, NASA's influence stretches far beyond the stars.